Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I know I'm not regular. Lots of personal commitments in between. Lot happened. I promised, if you see our last video, I promised that I'm going to show our algo trades, whatever we did. We are going to show for 30 days, or let's say for one expiry, right? 1 month expiry. One January series, we'll see how our algo is performing, and I'll show you what happened. Actually, today was a very lucky day for me. If you ask me why, because we didn't run algo today. If we had run the algo today, we would have been in huge loss. Okay, so this is the algo. We started this on 2nd of January. On 2nd of January, this trade has given a profit of loss of around 1180. On 3rd of January, 6,000, 4th of January, 10,500, and yesterday 17,576. So we didn't take trade today. That is because why we didn't take trade today, because Friday's algo will not be very effective. You will not have theta decay, plus on top of that you will have lots of vega in algo trading. So we are mainly into weekly options. Algo means weekly options only, right? So we didn't take any trade today. And this is the example. See, this is the beta_1_h_10 live hedge. This has given a loss of around 54,612 rupees. So had we run this beta_6/7, we would have lost around 54, not 54, maybe 25 or 24,000. And yesterday I'll tell you what happened. Like yesterday, you know that first half, I think after, even before Europe opened, markets were seriously, like it was going down like anything. Bank Nifty, we trade most of our trades in Bank Nifty, and you might know yesterday from around I think yesterday around Bank Nifty dropped from 43,000 all the way till 42,500. I hope that 42,500 will not be taken out, but 42,500 was taken decisively, and today was much more surprise. Even 42,000 was gone. So from yesterday's till today, more than 1,200 points drop in Bank Nifty. And when Bank Nifty was dropping in such a way, India VIX was going up. It was, if you are following India VIX was around 13. As of now, as I talk to you, it is around 15. It shot up from 13 or 12.5 levels to around 15. So Bank Nifty is dropping. What will happen if India VIX is shooting up? Market is coming down and India VIX is going up, means your put will increase in price, your put premiums will increase. Since you are option seller, it is going to give you losses. And at the same time, the call option should also reduce, the premium should be reducing, right? But it did not reduce because India VIX was shooting, and Vega effect was also there. So this is the problem of algo trading. If you think it is algo trading is very easy, I am telling you it is very hard. And one more thing I forgot to tell you is that these sensible guys have given a free pro plan access for people who are using Zerodha, IFL, 5 Paisa, then Allies Blue and ICICI Direct. So it is free of cost. Now there is an annual plan running. I'll show you that one also. So this annual plan is around how much? 2 years of 5 years of sensible. This 2 years plan, that is if you get 24 months access, if you go for 24-month payment, it is going to cost you 9,999, plus on top of that 1 more month you will get. So you can use the link. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can use that link. You can use 1 month pro plan with all the access. Whatever sensible is having, you will have all the access. You can access that for 1 month. After that, you can go for annual subscription or anniversary sale, and you will get 24 months plus 1 month free, which is free from our side. So 25 months you will get. So it is beneficial for you. If you want, you can try. You just use the free plan for 1 month. After that, you can go for anniversary sale, or you can go for our normal sale. I'll leave the link in the description for both. So if you want, you can go and subscribe, right? So this is about sensible. And coming back to our markets, like I told, markets were really pathetic. Really, I thought like 2022 was super volatile. Start of January 2023 itself is super volatile. It is like moving like anything. Bank Nifty is kind of super volatile, and gamma effect, India VIX is also shooting up. We find it very hard to manage this trade. And I can tell you, no matter what skills you have, what let's say you are having harmonic pattern, harmonic pattern, candlestick patterns, that pattern, this pattern, Fibonacci retracement, astrology, nothing is going to help you. That is what is happening now. You need you need to be a really skilled guy to make money in this market. Markets are super volatile, and I really don't know why it is dropping like this. In spite of US markets are not as bad as what we think. If you see, if I'm talking about Nifty has tanked more than 500 points from yesterday to today, and Bank Nifty more than 1200 points. But if you compare our Indian market with the US market or Asia Pacific, it's not dropping as much as what we think. So that is a concern. Maybe budget fears, maybe fear of budget. There is some issue in the budget. I wouldn't say issue. Maybe there is something which we know and we don't know, and FIIs are knowing. So this is the thing we'll have to work out. Maybe another 2 or 3 days. I thought if this 43,000, I'm talking about Bank Nifty, 43,000 is taken out, maybe we will see 42,500 or 40, even below 42,500. But that's a hypothetical. We cannot say anything. But as of now, what I can say is US markets are all kind of flat, and even FTSE is flat. So we'll have to wait and see how things pan out. I don't think nothing much is going to happen. We'll have to wait and see. We also have some hedge position, really good hedge positions in our not hedge position. We have lots of positions in Bank Nifty and Nifty. We'll see how things pan out. As of now, we have some tight hedges, and I'll give you some numbers which has dragged the market, which is IndusInd Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, AU Small Finance Bank, Federal Bank, IDFC Bank. So all these things were draggers. So hopefully Monday also, even if it gaps up, markets are in a bearish sentiment, and most likely we will see downward trajectory only. That is what I am expecting, right? Apart from that, I think there are some there are some global news also. I think that US jobs data will be out today. Let me check it for you. Yeah, US job data, non-farm payroll data will be out by 7 p.m. tonight. So if you see this, I hope you see this. Yeah, this is non-farm payroll data, payroll and unemployment rate will be coming out tonight around 7 p.m. After which we will see Federal Reserve coming out. Maybe after after today's event, January 12th, there is inflation year-on rate, core inflation rate, and after that, we will have the US Federal Reserve coming out and saying whether they are going to, of course, they are going to increase the interest rate. Whether it is a matter of 50 basis point or 75 basis point is the main question. So as of now, non-farm payroll data and unemployment rate is very important data which we'll have to monitor. Apart from that, I don't see any other data. So we'll see. I think maybe 42,000 will be taken out on decisively on Monday. It is just hardly 100 and 110 points away. And maybe 18,000 will also be 18th. It is already, I think Nifty is already close below 18,000, right? I'm a kind of Nifty bank guy. I don't do much in Nifty. We have very light position in Nifty. Bank Nifty, we have very huge position. That's why I always talk about Bank Nifty, right? So Bank Nifty only we get good premium. So Nifty is also below 18,000. So maybe 17,500 is our target, and 41,500 is our target for Bank Nifty. So all you have to do is short the market, and of course hedge your position. Don't take unhedged undue risk when it comes to trading, right? So let's see how things pan out. Until then, I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.